I think you're gonna ask me some butts.
What? Tell her.
Phone a burn up.
What? Every minute somebody mention me.
Tell your
Me
man.
see your phone, me see her go on, yeah, kick up views.
Take a long bad man, me not lie.
And you know, so if I tell you the truth. Oh, you did there. I will away there when the song build up. Fire creative, fire phone that one.
Yeah.
Fire said, don't open your mouth.
Real.
Don't open your mouth. For all of the fans them when they like open their mouth. And you know over there so they have the fans them where can open their mouth.
And one thing though with you, girl, you're determined, you know long. You write song and song that wanna get a bus here. I rate you.
How long now me I do music?
I must say a long time, you know. You write song from primary.
Boomba. Some know say I'm a real Gina dog. Even me remember say so long me I do music, you know. Yo, hold on. You know say somebody I link me I tell you. Yeah, cut.
Sound careful for the road. Alright?
Yeah, man.
Open your eyes.
Yeah. Same to me.
Come on. Eat out. Boy, that man, they have to come here every night. You can't
You
make
can't
rest.
stand it talk about she. I wish I did me one man to come for every night.
No one knows that she's safe still, isn't me?
But the girl is well alright. I worry about the wrong
Because
thing.
she's street smart, you know.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. I said some more. I want with it.
So you're not going to party tonight?
No, sir. We're staying home.
I know me wrong. I have no money.
We're broke.
Why? If you have money with that sponsor, I will have enough. But now money, I know. Well, you can't check yourself on that picture road still, so later.
Alright, yeah, man.
Yeah, take care.
Cool.
Boy, we need to do better, you know. Everybody got a road and we just there, so.
Not true. We must see house, Lily.
I chose school of way, man.
I don't lie. Free time soon come, man. Know yourself. Understand?
I know me feel like me I go give one professor where look me a link.
Yeah, at least you have an option.
I want to sleep yet. I don't know coursework.
Look at this one here. I said come in and ask about coursework.
Coursework.
Every minute I talk about man. How about man, so?
So I'm to you, Kira. You not have no man. You come and talk about coursework. You not no man.
We can't go and talk. My main focus right now at college. Man can't stay for last when time I done college and get my Toyota RAV4 and something.
They're not perfect, you know. But you know, so we need them at times. We need to go cuddling. Somebody to take we out, bring us presents and gifts and make we feel special. What you talk about, girl? And when you're down and your man call and tell us something nice, you know that feel good.
And
What
if
you
I'm
talk
money.
about? Worst thing I tell us when I get some money.
She don't understand, you know. Yes,
How
man.
do you?
Send me to college. Phone, man pay. Little apartment, yeah. Man still help me pay that. When you loan day. One you like start out in your pleasure. What you are gonna do? Talk, man, talk.
I mean, no, she not have a tie. So tell me something. Suppose when you left school, right? And you get a degree. And you still not get a job. And you can't put out, you can't nothing for yourself. What you gonna do? You are gonna need backup TV, you are gonna need backup. And the only backup is man unless you are gonna take woman. Talk to me.
Well, I see one nice cute guy from the school and he said like me. I don't know if I like him, so, but I think I'll give him a chance and see what I want.
Give man a chance.
Yeah, man, give man a chance and make him take your virginity.
Just make sure so when you start, you have your protection. Always have a condom.
You know, so sometimes I really want to know if it's true. Make sure so I don't make no mistake, you know.
We don't make no mistake. Are we have your front?
Oi! May I come there? Yeah, David.
You know, say iPhone charger me come borrow though. Cause me wake up this morning and realize that my charger not work.
You can get one. You know what I mean? You can make sure me I get it right now for you.
So my friend Ashish not there.
Yo, I don't even hear about the name there right now, you know. Hold on. One second.
Yo,
Give me brother, what going on?
look one thing more you do for me today. No man, I know what I send you man, I just want you to carry me. But drop me off on my wedding.
Yeah man, make you, yeah. Drop it down, sir. No problem, man. Me a forward now. Yeah? Alright, cool. Here we go. Let me go for each other first. Look, I'm going to run on the road, yeah?
Alright.
Don't move on it.
Yeah, man. Respect. Yeah, man. I wonder what they have. Let me call Ashley and find out what I go and call. Phone battery all dead too, you know. Now it sound like your phone ring on this. So. Girl! Sorry, I see the girl.
Yeah.
Boom. No,
Are you call me?
Yes. Yeah, sit down. How you feel, man?
Boy, I not even know which part to start tell her from. By the way, how you here? How you know say me and my man in a thing?
Just a come over your yard. I see them go borrow your charger because he lend me this and I know send no film charger. Because I never see me iPhone charger. I ask him for you. You want to see the face he give me, you know say man there dirty dog though.
And I really him do nothing still, you know. But I want a long story, I will leave to it. One next time when I see him, tell him, I just stress out.
What you say? But it sound like a big things are going on the man. Like you hide things from me, you know, so we live.
No man, nothing like that. I not hide nothing from you, girl. I just stress out. You know, one day I'm crab up.
Oh.
But I'm going to make you know what I'm going. I go down here, yeah.
Make
you're
sure
good
you know.
now.
Yeah man, me good man. If I not, you know, say you always can talk to me.
You're going to know everything.
You sure say yes, sir?
Yeah man, alright just man, alright just.
Oh. So, how you say I do it? Yeah, do you love it, sir?
You know say I want my bridging link me for come video and wedding film. So hold on. What make when me say wedding your face look so?
You remember Ashley? For me, girl? And the reason I say girl right now because I can't believe she don't do that to me. Brother, the girl, no, give me bun with one brethren who I know personally. But at the party when I see her, you know what I mean? And to me, you better somebody when tell me about it. Than me have to see it for myself. Don't in a man throat. You know what I mean? I mean, I
Sorry,
say to
I
myself,
mean to laugh, but I don't in a short part, can I get me? But really and truly on a serious note, me never expect that from Ashley still. But where she there now?
show up a yard there, brother.
Where just
Try with a girl
Show
there.
up in your yard. Jaja. Alright, so hold on. Me think say done left her after she cheat. But big man thing. Where you plan for?
Why, brother, for real, you know, hear what going on. Me wanna think about for work it out, you know. But which part of the reach right now, brother? I can't do it because you see how me feel, how the girl me feel seen say, you know, me, she do it and not tell him and tell the story about it. Me feel for y'all mash her down. You know what I mean? I lick down all the youth and thing. But based on what I go on, at 3 days, I get it come out of the place, you know. But it's still their yard still, but connection, no. 8 years, you know. 8 years, brother. That I promise.
Alright, you are one, brother. Not do nothing too rush. Zane, just take a deep breath and just think about everything what you gotta do. Because I know say rough, you know. You see me? See you now, how with me I gotta do. So people still a get married. So at least there is still hope. You see me? So just do the right thing. If you have to let her go. And just no rushing or nothing. If you find a new girl, you find a new girl. But I go match up this now and just see if you can come pick me up later though, Zin? Alright, so if anything look more there, Zin? Let it go there, Zin, yeah.
Are you see there? Alright. You know what I'm saying? I make no sense. I try to communicate with you. And the thing is, you're going like a you for vex. And me for vexing and me for feel a way about the whole situation. I make no sense. All this make no sense.
We can't deal with it like this. You understand? I can't talk to you in this state. You me know say me wrong. No say I'm me wrong. But you're going like say you're perfect. Nobody not perfect. I don't like how you did a deal with situation in there, so that's why I come out and say me a breeze out.
Past that stage a long time, you know. Past that stage a long time. You know what I mean? Cause I guess I know. You see the stage over there right now is like a broken glass. Can't mend up. Can't me personally don't have that time there. El finito, we just done. Can't work out certain way. You understand? And when you see me walk out here, so come talk to you. I talk to you because I'm going to know, say, oh, you have to just take your things and go on. You know what I mean? Because you can't work.
What you mean me have to pack up and leave? Baby, when me I go stay? Yeah, me know something wrong.
Let me tell you this. When you do what you do, you never think about where you go stay afterwards. You never think about the other thing.
I know something wrong and everything, but me not have, you have to give me some time or something.
No time not there. I be a skeleton there right now. So guess what now? You see, what me see with my eyes, seeing, and somebody come tell me, you know, and somebody come and miss you with my eyes. So guess what you have to do? You have to understand. Alright, here I go. Me I give you 3 days. 3 days. 3 days me I give you. 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 3 days. And after 3 days, you better find somebody. So today, what time now? The time start now, you know.
Baby, 3 days. 3 days. 3 days can't work. Me are there for 8 years now. Look for me when me talk me. 3 days. 3 days can't work. 3 are dead. By the way, me are there for 8 years now. And by rights, me supposed to all have shares in everything.
You're lucky me I give you 3 days and now me put you out. You talk about shares. Share was the only thing we share was a plate of food. You know what I mean? Because I guess you know, 8 years and you fit do that to me. You don't think about the flip side of the situation. You are going. Do what you want to do, you know. Because me I tell you have to go.
If I go down to the lawyer right now or anywhere, them can tell you by rights. You have to give me more time or sir, have some sympathy. Me and you together. It's like you don't have no heart.
If you want to reach a police, make you reach a police. What you have to do, what you have to do. Enjoy your day. You start now.
What did this idiot waste money? Hey, you must feel like a psycho. A wrong girl this year. By the way, anything where you say, you just go on.
Father God guide me, you know. Because I guess right now, you see a girl that talk or kind of something. I don't want to do not know what I'm not supposed to do, you know. Make sure take her things out of the place.
You know, say me all a grow on me too. Because any other boy they dash me thing them out the door. A war, you know. Any boy dash me sit them out the door.
Welcome people, it's your girl Singer Kira, and I also want to over every channel, yes, but the entire video I got it over my channel, which is Kira TV. Also the link I got it down in the description box below, so go over there and go check out the entire video. Subscribe to every channel, subscribe to Kira TV for more exciting and nice short films. Bye.
My youth, what may you say going with?
What?
Eh?
With what?
What may you say with what?
With what, me general? I don't know nothing where you talk about. You just come here and talk about see you. What me do? Explain yourself right now. Me not understand.
Yo, me in a little pity business with you, you know. And you know, see me, I'm a woman saying, and you can walk on the place and I come advertise me a gallus and this and that because girl them like me, yeah. But yo, me I'm a woman brethren, and me I try to make it work. A long time we I try get it settled, you know. And you come advertise certain things, eh? Why problem?
No, man. You get some bad to us. You just go accuse me. I can tell people say you're a gallus. I'm not see you as no gallus. Eh? You're one burner, man. Who could have they call me name? Look at my face good. My face look like somebody I walk and watch people. General, come clean, man. Come clean. Look how long me know you. Me don't know you as no gallus. Probably me might see you with 6, 7, 8 gal along the road. Me don't call that gallus.
Yo,
a boy
upper
thing
Kerry
that.
I come from, you know. Upper Kerry yard, me walk, me 2 foot them come from up there. And that's where I come from right now. Kerry tell me, say, you, I know you name Popeye, eh? Popeye, I chat all these things I talk about me, eh? Brother, me not depend what you depend, you know. Me not depend what you depend. Guess what you gotta do? You have to go clear it out with Kerry.
Well, I know, me general. See where you gone wrong now? Remember say, no, I know me alone name Popeye, you know. The whole universe have Popeye in the area you go, you have a Popeye. So, to me you know I can't tell nobody say you're a gallus. Because you're a girl clone. You're a real girl clone.
Oh, you call girl clone, you know me? Yo, I'll show me that one. Do something idea. Yo, who you call girl clone?
Where you do? Put it down. You can't even beat your woman yard and me you beat. You're a real girl clone, youth. You're a girl clone. You better go on, man. Yeah, man.
You go on, yeah? Go and try your clit. Because you're chocolate. Me a girl clone and you're chocolate. It's alright. Everything good.
You have to test it before you try. On this third man, palm and chocolate there.
Next time, clear the place, you know.
Mix them and mix it up in a star. Yo, I chew, yo. Kerry!
Oi!
What going?
But there.
You know where Papa may come from?
Yeah?
Yeah man, Papa may come from right now.
What going?
He might tell me what go on. You know what I mean? Because me have to check him. You know, regardless of tell me what go on, me have to link him still and find out the nitty-gritty because me can't bother to mix up.
Youth, you really go for Papa after me tell you that? I can't believe you do this. I not rate you, my G. I can't trust you again. I not rate what you do, swear. That means that anything I'm tell you, I go back with
I can't take him mix up. I have to go down there and talk to him. What you expect me to do? I just ease myself. I'm a woman, me I talk about, you know. At the end of the day, it's like, me know, say, you know, you tell me that confidence and I respect that as a virgin, but guess what now? I have to find out because who know go sit down and just wait. What me go do? Me have to check Papa if I have to see really what I go on. You tell me that yes. Me sorry for telling him sit down.
Okay. And you mix up your this. So you think me name now follow you? Eh? You think me name now follow you? You! What you call up me name for? You lady, yes, you!
Me?
You! And him. I come on, I come talk about me, I watch him. But me I tell people about my girl. It's when man a girl, see a girl clone. Me and you know no association.
Hey. Are you follow me? You want me shadow? You me shadow? Hey, stop following me. What you talking about? I'm so me do. Eh? You me shadow? You come walk up behind me every time. Yo, you look at the shadow me. Yo, me look you long in about you. Me want to lose my money. You see me lose my man. Me want to lose my man. You see my friend. Just wait. Me want to lose my man.
Hold me.
Oi, easy yourself, man.
Come on, that place now. See how you? Just wait. Me want to see you on the road.
Listen, you see, as long as you don't live, don't call back me name. Me know what people business. Me tell you already, people business jump on me foot. And once you jump on me foot, it go kick. So talk. You see how you?
Step out that place.
What?
You?
Oi, easy yourself. What you say me call up your name with?
You tell him more me I call up this a rent a jed. Not me yam not a rent like him. And I can talk about me say him a gallus. When me know say him a girl clone already. Which part you hear me tell us say him a
When
gallus?
you come here yesterday, you never tell me say you see camera down so with Wally pa woman.
Tell me say your name say so.
Me see him, but you know, listen what me did say yesterday. Me say, Kemar is a man not to carry out, go anywhere. You have to put the man there aside because when the man they go nowhere, me can't get no girl because my girl fool. Me never say my girl is girl fool. And you don't tell the man about me, I walk up and tell him what my girl is.
So Kemar, you did really upside one if a girl?
Yes, you know what I mean? It was one of them night, you know what I mean?
One of them
I'm
night.
a birthday.
One of them night.
I'm a birthday, man. You know me, you know, birthday. But yo, leave my business alone. Yes, sir.
That's about business. One birthday, it was just a gigolo.
Yo, you see how you
Calm down, little man. Calm down, man. Wanna ease on yourself.
I'm a birthday.
Wanna ease on yourself. It was just a misunderstanding, man. But here we are. No need to prolong this no more. Just go on up your yard and you come out. Because I need to do some things right now.
Yo, make him go on first. Make him go on. Go on, come out that place first. Because me don't want to pass him. Yo, come on, everybody. Yo, see how you do it.
Go to my house, man. Go on.
You come like a grass. Go ahead, get everywhere. See how you? Go ahead, man. Well, I'm brother.
How I go over there, so? Me here chatting and cussing and sitting. Now how I go over there?
No, go on, man. Just be, my brethren going to link up over there so we are talk about, you know, who forget the partner draw and all these things. You know what I mean? But, you know, sometimes we have some little heated conversation. But me I say, I come link you,
Call link me? What you mean call link me?
I mean, I come link you, yes, get a link, and we can do some of them something, you know? Do. Huh? No. What you say?
What? Hey boy, I two people there make me not send you up on there. Hey, move out of my doorway, man, and go along by your business. Some people are fence into here, lick you down too. Come out of my doorway, man.
No to violence. No to violence.
What, me?
No to violence.
Right. Boy, I come talk, boy, I come check me, check who you're bright.
Yeah, girl, party did nice last night, you know? Yeah. Remember some go out on the head top.
Excuse me, princess. Let me
Wait, somebody talk to me. Soon call you back here. Yeah, we can go out later again. Alright, later. Yeah.
You see, I walk by and me happy. Just even though I see her up on your phone and think I don't want to be rude, you know what I mean, to say I'm willing to, you know what I mean, talk to you in such a way where, you know, we can take it to a different level if possible. Because I guess I know a girl like you, I know so you must have a boyfriend to tell you how special you are today. You know what I mean? Because them lips, I know so I'm telling you
Hello,
this.
if you are going to tell me so you like me, just say it straight out. We are grown so much kind of for. But anyways, I have my man.
Okay, I understand what you said, but that means that me can...
Until boy, until. You hear me say me have my man?
Come on. Alright, when I outside, you did there look at the girl, you know? I know you come and look this a girl. You're one dirty dog. That means I never like Papa did that.
So you did just run there so I look one girl and you come out here and look me?
You see a dog that?
I'm rolling.
From you hear the voice and you see the face, you know who it is. Richard Brown already. Alright? So, if it's your first time to the channel, it simply means that you have not subscribed as yet. So please hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you can be notified when we upload brand new content. Because you don't know, we are grow and we need your support. So please subscribe.
Hi. So welcome to the channel. Subscribe, make sure someone hit the post notification bell so you don't miss a post. The experience from me come down here Negril and left out of Portland, it is great because I'm still there. I learned enough something. I never know if I turn on one camera, now I shoot. I never know if I edit, now I edit. And that is a big thank you to Richard Brown, Imana G. Big up yourself, Richie.
Oh, me see I take up some girl, we are run them, me not run them down. It's what me there do. Me I try if you know how to chocolate.
No.
You say I try for chocolate? I try chocolate. I'll buy what you want, come here, understand? No problem. Let's go, let's go. Alright, Papa. Action.
You talk about lucky she hold it. You're lucky she hold me. No, but you didn't touch me.
No, you must have a boyfriend to tell you how special you are every day. You know what I mean? Because them lips, you know, them tell every day, say, you know, them. I can't say suck about. Can I say suck about? You start prepare food then?
No, no, the dishes are first.
Oh, okay. I guess I'm hungry, you know.
But here one now.
Oh.
I don't have enough flour and support.
You don't have enough what?
Flour so you not get enough dumpling like we like.
Jeez, how kind of situation that? Tonight a wrong night for that, you know. So how comes the flour so a little bit?
I never remember forgetting.
No worries, man. Just go and do it, yeah? Because me understand the situation. I just me and you, and we hungry belly cousin now really pass through today, so we're good to go.
Alright,
Yeah?
Public.
Baby, hear that?
Public.
Dirty papai.
Public. That sound like public, did you, man? What? Welcome myself here, man. What? Open up. Nobody eat?
Yo, what one?
What me do?
Everything good?
Yeah, man, me just come from the bar. I'm frost.
You're frost? Why look like you walk with the bar?
You don't have no food on there?
No, man, nothing around there, Whoa, yo, sit down, man, sit down.
No, you always have put them there, man. So where your wife there? You know on there?
She asleep. A late time, brother. You see, since the curfew, everybody have to go in bed early. You know what's that saying right now? We don't have no choice. Because I guess I know, we almost stop down at a restaurant to buy some food because we never plan to cook. Me never plan to cook. So it's like say, you know, we have to just go to bed.
Listen to me. Curfew is no curfew when you're at your yard. So if you tell me say you want a little food around there, oh, you have curfew at your yard, and on your yard you're there.
Hey, lower your voice before my wife wake up and start curse you. You know what I mean? But guess what you have to go do? You have to go find something to eat around so you know, or something, but nothing not going on so. We can't guarantee you that. You know what I mean?
We don't wake up your wife. We don't go wake up your...
Oh, what?
You don't smell that?
No, I'm not smell that.
Woo! No, man, I smell food.
No, man, you are going now. I know food, you smell. Sit down, man. Sit down, take your time. Sit down, man. Just relax, man. Me don't know, maybe a KFC smell wrong so car breeze a blow heavy and thing.
Me know KFC smell. You have to tell them all that life for 3 hours before you get a piece of chicken and you tell me say KFC. No, man, come on.
Don't worry yourself, man. You know what I'm going to do? I'm going to check if I the neighbor and see what I got. Here, don't go first, man. Everything good.
Hurry up now, come on, piece of chicken hungry and bark me, man.
Alright, don't worry yourself, man. See? I check and follow back. Hey, the man a smell the food from out there, so me nah share no food tonight. You hear me say, help me window them, lucky pot them, don't make a scent come out of the pot. Help me do, as a matter of fact, help me window them, make it blow over neighbor yard. Help me them. Step aside. Right, come on, get you.
Yes. You don't want me there.
Fast, come on, I don't want to go. Yes, help me do if I solve the case. What me do with them? What me do? Yeah. I can see so. I soon come here. After making go. Yo, you still there?
If me still there, if you know me hungry.
Go over look more. You are going. I have bad news to tell my brother.
What happened now?
I know the neighbor will like me. I cook. So, them a cook, but you can't get none. Your dog knows I work for truth. Food I cook, man, that year. You can't smell the atmosphere. You know what I mean? But I'm sorry for you. I don't know how you work it out. You have to go just, you know, go and go eat a piece of bull or something, I don't know.
Listen up. Yeah, your neighbor might not talking, but maybe if me go over there go beg them, so I just pass through your house and go talk to them. And them no talk, but me and them will agree. Just let me pass through this, please. I'm going to go talk to them.
Hold on. I know so this thing work. Me tell you already. Say me woman in there asleep. I mean I want she wake up and come cuss you. Cause and then me know if when time come and time get cold, me can't go touch her. Cause she go vex with me. You understand? And you know say in a them a time ya. Breeze a blow cold. You understand?
Papa, look how long me cooking mackerel up there and I wait upon you.
Mackerel again! I'll be a mackerel with milk.
Milk?
Yes, go on.
As a matter of fact, you know, you better come up on near me food, you know. Me not let you done here. I put a blast. Yo, come pull the grill.
See out there. Yes, oh, sorry. You know what I do, but...
Come.
Public.
Come near me food.
Public.
Come near me food.
Go on. Hey, if you've been watching so far, guess what? Thanks for the support. Thanks for staying with us. Thanks for enjoying. Thanks for subscribing. Thanks for liking, comment, and share. This is Popeye, and this is
Bad girl Carrie.
My God, you hear that? Bad. Hello.
If you're watching, that means God bless you today.
Yes, Lord.
And I'm glad. And I said hallelujah.
Yeah, man, guess what? This is public report and public with a K, public official, you know what I mean? So guess what? Thanks for watching, thanks for enjoying, thanks for supporting. This is Popeye, this is Care, and you don't know, so we're there. Just entertain, you know, all the way. Richard Brown Films team, you know what I mean? That's the dream. What your name? Tell them what your name now?
My name is Bad Girl Care. I'm new, but look out for me.
Yeah, man. Popeye, take
My
it away.
name is
Take it away, Popeye.
Popeye, you know. Yes. I'm just making people laugh no matter what I do. I enjoy making you guys laugh. Continue support. Please subscribe. I will give you a long support on this channel. I will make this man have me on his channel.
Yeah, man,
as long as you guys keep on watching I will support him.
Yeah, man.
And being on it, they're gonna laugh.
Yeah, man.
And we are gonna do a 2 piece one. So to continue, make sure you subscribe. Don't miss it.
Go on. You drink a little bit too much. Everything good still, you know, go on do your thing. I hope my hungry belly cousin will come over here tonight. I think come over here tonight, I will... Jesus Christ, man. Babe, guess who?
Oh.
The dirty Popeye out there, man. Jesus Christ, man.
Oh.
The dirty Popeye. Don't worry, man. I run him away. Me realize, me can, you know what I mean? Smell like you walk with the bar. The Holy Spirit.
You know no food on the back there?
No, man, nothing around there. Whoa, yo, slow. General, tell them about them girls there, you know. That's top dog, you know. You must get me a brother, son.
They're wicked, you're bad.
Yo, it's that brown in there coming forward, yeah. I try to think and see what I'm going because, yo, she give me some eyes which did there. But I'm just going like everything smooth because I don't know it go already, you know? Don't want a one girl. I can't do the one girl thing, brother.
Yo, you have to have one woman, bro. Cause what you know? You don't make no sense. You don't run up and down with them bag of girls.
Yeah, but I try things still with a brown in there because long time she approve it. Rough.
Rough, man.
Yeah, man, she approve me, brother.
Come on, say you're
Let's check it, bro, and that's what I want. So, you're big up yourself, you know?
You say I'm a big one, man.
Yeah, man, a big one. Cougar, Roga. It is what it is, brother. Best of yourself. Best of wife with me now. See inside. Alright, man has a respect. you don't know, so without Rasta, I can't nice, you know what I mean? Come out of the sun, I ever talk, man. It's a long time I say, you know what I mean? Woyoy. Yes, Father. Hallelujah.
Speak your mind.
Speak my mind was stuck on you, you know, because I tell you, say, yo, a long time I think about you, you know. I just have to keep it cool, because I don't want you to feel like I don't rush thing. A woman like you don't need no jump up and all them something. You need somebody to, you know, spend some time, you know what I mean, focus on you, make sure everything works smooth, you know what I mean. Because you look to a Rasta, you done share same religion already, so that's our first step, you know what I mean. So only thing we have to do is just maintain that vibe there and make it happen. But it's up to you still. I'm not rush you, I'm not force you. I'm just happy. You know what I mean?
You look like you have something to say and you don't want to say it. Just speak your mind, man. Now listen.
Want it. Need it.
Get to the point.
I need it in my life. I'll tell you something, man. You're relevant. You're relevant to me. You're a big man and you know how to do the things then. You've been there, done that, and you know, say, at this point you don't want nobody to play with you. You know what I mean? But me want you. You need it. You understand? So, I don't know if we can make it work and we want it to work. So just make me know if, you know what I mean, we can get started. I'm going to take care of it. I'm talk about take care, I'm not talk about no half thing.
Hold on right there, son. Hold on there. You really think somebody don't want you?
Me?
For do what?
Last to get a proper massage. You know, when last man they rub on your body. You know what I mean? Caress you and make sure say, yo, you would want to penetrate straight. When last that happened to you?
You forgot something.
What forget?
Me and you are friends long time. Me not expect this from you. You don't know so me no want you. If me did want you, me would have a long time. You forgot to me you woman a friend? And you come and look me? Man like you, me not do it. Because you seem like you go diss up your woman for me and me your friend. I understand you start talking about massage and one or something. May I explain my problem them to you? Don't bother with it.
So you really have put it?
Come on, me no want you, me your friend. We are friends.
Yeah, but we can excel to the next step.
On. No, me don't want you.
You sure?
Me sure so me no want you. We are just friends.
Everything good still. You done say what you say, and me done say what I say, you just now work out. Everything good. Yes, sir?
My body you want to cut
no, man, that man. Everything good, man.
Stay with your woman.
Yeah, man.
Too much woman.
Holy man will lie.
Keep your things in your pants. And if you learn to satisfy, that me not like we do.
On here, yeah. Mama.
Afternoon.
So you do everything alright?
Yeah, man.
My God, I see me just a pass and I see him half a turn back. I don't know what I mean, something that strike my eye, you know? So, something I buy in that place, huh?
Not really, but you can buy me so much.
What you say? Service! That's a lady come like she hot like a fire. What about Mama? Everything alright?
No.
Not alright?
No.
Some buckle water.
Hot or cold?
Hot.
So tell me something a minute more. You know, me talk to you outside no more. You know what I mean?
Okay.
I'm nice to get to know you a little bit. Don't forget the water, Mama.
Oh.
What you name?
Name Apple.
Apple your name?
Yeah.
Oh, apple to apple, plum to plum. Hi! I'm here still, you know, I see how me can't tell me yeah for you and thing. You know what I mean? Like a strong body and all these things. You know if something can work for me because, you know, means that in a brother can take care of you.
So hold on there. So true you buy me one buckle water down and shop a while ago. You feel like say you can look me?
Yeah man, you are going. This is start from, you know. You know what I mean? We can't go up and start at some place. We can't just get up and wait till it.
But me have my man.
You have your man?
Yeah.
Me have my own man too. For some of the case so we can work out something.
You know say you're a dirty man. You have your woman and me I tell you say me have my man. And you still a dry it out, still a look me. As a matter of fact, hold back your water, I'm not thirsty. It's a dirty man, you. You just want jump in on my panties, so one bucket of water make all of this. As a matter of fact, go on home to your woman, because I go home to my man.
You alright, you know? Cause you look good, everything alright. Drink my water, yeah. Me thirsty. You not thirsty?
One month to your woman.
Come boy! I'm gonna try food. It's alright. Oh, go on, General.
There, man.
Thing alright?
Yeah.
Yo, you see me? You have to try to be a girl it's like me. Yo, you see a girl? Yeah, man. See me girl like brother. Have to be girl it's like me, you know.
Girl is. What you say? Alright, my boss.
You know what I mean? Because look more, you know. You and she gonna link up and we are gonna go out and have a nice time, you know what I mean? Yo, you see earlier on, you have a brownie down so. Or me a sort out and thing. Yeah, man, my girl, them this. Stand lane and my lane, brother. You have to be girls like me. Top man will be in the era, general. See? Yeah, man. Bless up yourself. Alright. See, sir. What you mean? Fuck me down. Hold them.
Boy, girl clown can't tap make. You ever have icky on you and make one of your woman them bright needed? You're not so tough.
Are the can you come? Hey, so here we go on. Bob!
No, what the f*** are you doing? Come on.
My girl, that. A little more, we have a link up. There you go. You know what I mean? Go eat something, you know what I mean? Or... No, take a eat us.
We can't work out something.
That can't work out.
Come on.
They can't just come by me one back of water and then one look me.
No, no matter that, man. You
Check out the film now. Like, subscribe, enjoy, right?
Why I wonder Papa got some misery, man. Yo, Papa, forward there.
What man?
There, why you know? Why you come from up road some misery, man?
Why? I don't know. I was telling my friend. You know, some woman pissed me off though. 3 months. No sex. Nothing. Not to look at chops. I mean, I want to go out there and cheat. That makes it worse.
Why? Why rough your fault, boy? I have to give him some Spanish fly, my boy.
You know, so come to think of it. Me need to penetrate on the Spanish fly, no boy. That's a good idea. But wait. Come to think of it though. Me go use it. Me not go do it in time to stop. Because, you know, that's something make me hard and bad. So, I want to do it naturally.
Boy, Papa, I'm telling you, man. You have to go back some blend up, man, and put the Spanish fly in them, man, and make him drink him, and make him in emotion, man. Because I know the thing we work, man. Because I know the woman, they want it hard, you know. That's why, you know, make you feel up, you know, you have to give her hard, man. You see me? You have to give her hard, you see it? You have to do the thing professional, you see me?
You know, say right. Me I go home right now, go give it a try. Since I just say hard. Big up yourself. Alright. Well, rude such you know. Oh, alright. Wow, man. See him too. Alright.
So, Papa, how will they see him miserable? To you?
God no. I tell you the truth, Slim. I don't know where to start. Trust me. I would wish if I could help you right now. I don't know where to start.
And I'm here to help. I can't bother with the miserable vibes, man. Don't miserable yourself when around me. Sure. But for real, you can start from the beginning and tell me how I go.
tell you the truth right now, Slim. I just some pum want, you know. The one of them in my yard right now. No matter how I try to touch him, my box off me and he not even nothing right now. Blue balls me out to have you know. The man not even nothing. Me I want to be a man.
Really?
Alright.
Really? That make you dare some bizarre yourself? So really, what really happened up a yard with your mama? Make she not give enough.
Right now, you know, Slim. I say the same thing because you are a woman because every minute me want something from her, me I touch her, she a box me from her hand, me put on clothes from her, she get up. It's like she lock shop on me and open shop on the next man. I don't know how she change and turn the other way around. So it's something or something.
Yeah, that really a go on? Man, I not get no money, you know? Or you not provide the service them properly. Cause that not sound right.
Stamina is not the problem as far as I can see. But, enough of she. Enough of she. Me get over she live on the highway, you know. Differently, what about you? I couldn't get some.
No man, Papa. Nothing can go on your son. You don't know so me have a man already. But for real, I wonder if something specific she want and you not get her.
I can't want me to think you are talking about mama. You can't talk about that right now in my head. I can't that. Explain yourself, please. Let me can't understand. Explain what you are trying to say me now. Yeah.
That one, some man. You can't freak out through me tell you that. You know the normal things where man them do nowadays.
What you just say a while ago? Eh? What you just say? Them the thing they don't ramp with. You only thing to go up on my plate of food they cook. She have to keep that to herself. If you want me to be friend, don't mention that to me, please. Don't mention it. You know that? Mr. Mutt not so strong. Don't do it again, man. Say something different.
Where you going so far? And normal something them there nowadays. And that's why your woman not sponsor you. Now you're going so far. You hear them a sing song go lick lick. Normal something them there. And not if you try.
Try what? Let me tell you something. Let me tell you something. Me I come from my yard because you now lead me to straight. You and your lick and what you want to talk about on TV can stay one place because me now go down that road. Right.
Watch him. Go on in your yard, man. And no found out do it behind closed door and I go on like say you not do nothing. All you probably do it too. Go on, man. Go on in your yard. Right.
Hello, subscribe. Yeah, you guys subscribe? Please subscribe. Please, please, please subscribe. Please. If you subscribe, you get a lot of video every day. If you don't subscribe, subscribe now. Leave a like, leave a share. Subscribe, tell me that you share, and I will respect you. I'll give you a thumbs up. Subscribe, I always watch your comment. No problem. Welcome to Jamaica, where the crime rates are high. Subscribe.
And action.
Right now, Slim, your woman, and you wish that they ask me because if every minute me I touch her, she a box off me hand. It's like she lock shop on me and open shop on another woman. What the f*** me I say?
And action.
Something what? What are you trying to tell me? Say something with a blow or this?
Action.
Subscribe, yeah? Comment, like, share. Candy, tell them where you're sitting
here.
Tell them where you're sitting here.
You go on like you know and then go over to Ackeen Lawrence channel.
And then them there.
Them
subscribe.
Who did they already? Go and go tell who no did they. Go and subscribe to Ackeen Lawrence channel right now. Who don't know say Ackeen run things. See? Bless up on yourself. Please go over to Candy Empress channel and subscribe. And Reality JA.
Right away.
Public channel.
Public with a K.
Yes.
Don't forget that.
Okay.
Give me money to buy the clothes and do my nails. So the friend I say I'm gonna sponsor my friend to do her ear and back and do her nails. So him say, alright, I'll call her back. Man, say yeah, man,
So Alicia, remember you know when man a spend, them a go and get something in return. Man a depend that. If I that in depend, man a depend that.
Don't worry yourself, man. I'm gonna call one girl in case if I not want no. Right now I'm gonna call her too.
Alright.
James, now come in, alright? James! The boy like outside here, me a call and answer. James! James!
Yo, Carla. Yeah, come and make a bag of knives like you know used to the place, Carla. Yo, pull up your and come in. Like you know used to the place.
DJ, you still got the party later? So you don't have nobody to give you no money?
I'm not working. I don't have nobody to give me nothing. Not even for beg or borrow.
So that means that you're not going to go then?
Well, that have to just wait and do.
Alright, I see. I go see by later. I go check somebody for you and see by later if I can get no money for you to come at the party.
Really, girl? You did that for me? Oh, that's why I'm here for real, you know. Alright. We chat. Girl, I go on, I carry on, but me dip on another level, me no see them at all.
She said she not have nobody to give her no money and she want me to ask my boyfriend to give her money. But she
But
bright.
you know easy.
She bright.
Alicia, I want to ask you something. You not sure, man?
Girl, what kind of question that you ask me? What kind of man if you share? I'm not share my man. Come like you lick your head when you, your mother lick your head when you smile. You drop a lick your head smile. What kind of money I share? My man have no money nor food to share. Me a brighty girl. Me not share my man, I'm mad. When
when girl and my man do things they do better than me and she take him from me. You're mad.
And suppose your man out there with other woman, where I say about that? Where I say? You don't know, you know. Remember saying I'm gonna have other woman out there, so where I say?
Well, better have me don't know about him and me and share my man, you know, because me know that Dalios thing them mash up. No, keep me mad. In cannot touch my body and then I'm gonna touch other girl body and come back into me. You mad. In can't do that. That just them both man and woman I got mash up because me beat the two of them. Me I chop up the man first too. And then we burn down the house with him in there.
You know what if it's a case where me I please your man the right way and you not please him the right way?
And I know circumstances me not share my man. So if me can't please him, I better him go on. Kim, by the way, your son like say you that share your man. So tell me, you that really share your man? You that share your man? Answer my question.
Alicia, if him a pay for my nails, do my hair, buy my clothes, and pay for the bills in the house, so I don't want to like say, yeah, but I share him.
Well, that kind of makes sense because if I do my hair, I do my nails, I buy clothes to me, everything's there for me anytime I want something. Yeah, but that's not a case there, yeah, but that share me, yes, making one go do a man do about it.
Enough women out there share their man and they even know.
So anyways, girl, I go up, come have some clothes and I want to finish wash. And I forgot to take my boyfriend the money to see if he might be money so I can do my nails. So if I anything later, I come call it, I'll check your back account.
Alright girl, mother is still. I remember to collect the money from the youth.
Alright.
Kim, what you wanna say about your sister, girl?
My friend just left from America, so that's why I'm
So girl, yeah, you support I keep later, you know, go.
I could have asked her some money, but they say wait for go do my ear. I'll start my wait for her. Yeah, go?
Yeah, girl, I'm just one woman gone with my brother, yeah. Come right to kill sometimes with she gone.
So your brother give money?
Yeah, girl, I'm my father, I'm my brother, the only man them I go take things from. Take man things, though you know I go come after that, though.
As long as I'm my man, I might give him money. I take him things then.
What's the dying trial? You not hear me call you, Deidre? You in here listen to Satan music.
Auntie, if me hear him, would answer.
Watch ya. I give me attitude. Watch ya. Look how much dirty plate in I sink. You sit down here and listen to Satan music.
Auntie, and me just use them, I can wash them up when we finish.
But Deidre, me needed that to come in and come tell you, say to wash them. We can't do so much something. It's better going back to your mother, you know? Because it's no help to me. You think me take your ear to come turn worthless? Me take your ear to come out to something. Go wash up your plate. Me not do it. Me not doing it. I better me send you back to your mother. This don't make no sense.
come back with a bag of nice callings, eh? Can't make nobody know anything, you know what I'm saying? Business, man. Yeah.
Girl, see girl I left there now.
Alright, now come go.
Man, what did you do right? I know. Hello?
Carla, yeah man, it's me. You know, say from morning, me day at work, me sweep up the yard, and when me come in at the house, can you imagine say DJ they on phone, I listen to music and he play them the wash? No, me no know how you do it. No man, look like some me have to go send her back.
May I talk to her?
It not work out. Me can't take the stress. Me no want that before time, you know?
Yeah, just tell you that I'm going to talk to her.
No, but you should have grown her to help you out. No, and me, I want to get in trouble too.
May I hear you? May I listen to everything, sister?
No man, me just say me I go help you out. Me ain't say me that kill myself helping you out. That don't make no sense. No, you need to talk to her.
Alright? And may I come down there later, because I have a piece of money for you. Alright?
Yeah man, talk to her. Me can't bother. Yeah man. Alright. Yeah, you talk to you.
Yeah, man. Okay. Alright.
Deidre, when you finish wash your plate then, I want you to buy some egg down and shop for me. I'm a matter of fact, conduit now. And them something you may talk to your mother about you, you know. You don't have no manners. Better I'm broke now. Take it from me. You know them little something you're supposed to can use your mind and say, you know what? Auntie have it hard. Let me come and wash up the dishes. You know, if for some people you have to wipe car glass and all kind of other things. If you glad say, me do you so good, me treat you well. Me not deserve this, Deidre. One man. Wait, man. You can do better, Deidre.
Yo, Jerry, you see Ackeen going for the field with you. Yo, the dog right now, thing acting up. Yo, who that girl? She look good, so I'm sit up to her.
Yeah, must remember.
Nice girl. Good girl. Mama. All there. Sexiness. All there. Ugly girl. Tough girl. You hear man I call you, man, I want to you.
And we are called tough girl. Tough like your mama. Your favorite SSP down at L.
You go butterfoot girl, that's how you stay now. You go long man there compliment you and say, yeah, behave. As man just say something bad, that's how you hear. You see all them girls, that's how I'm going to deal with them more time in my house.
Achoo, man.
Man, sorry. What are no ways, man? Oh, the war again, the brother.
How about my brother? You alright?
Oh, where are you?
You say your sister here still. Can you get your sister one money to do her ear? Nobody tell me the excuse. That every time I see her is an excuse.
See, you what? I don't have money, I know.
I don't want an excuse.
I don't have money, I know, sis. You see what I'm saying?
Every
Nothing
time
there, no money.
I'm tired of that, no. I'm tired. You must can't treat your sister to her ear. You look at your sister ear. You can't make people out the road say you have woman look nice and look at your sister.
No, sir. Yo, give me a second, man. This is right now, you there, yo. Give me a second. Yo, hold on, Panis. Let me tell you this. I'm about to come back to you know. I'm about to come back, you know. This bag of nice. What kind of yard this? What? What, this bag of excitement? What kind of yard this?
Come back again, car party, and come up and go want some food.
Man. Just go on, man. I'm about to foolish, man. Most one puppy show you this to real. You don't understand this. So I go on here. Everybody can come and make one bag of loud nice with the excitement down and something, man. How do you know, man? Make everybody know my business. I say left man gate. So I say left man gate. The point never come and see me. I say the left man gate. See all you know?
people make people run in from people and do some bag of things, you know. It's alright, man.
Come down here for no reason.
DJ, we are there.
Mommy, Dad. Yeah, well, Mommy.
Alright?
Yeah.
Everything good? Just come out for the phone with your auntie, you know? Yeah. And you know, the things that must tell me where you go on with it is not really like, I don't like it, you understand? And right now, me's not in a position to help you, that is why you stay with her. I know sometimes she can be miserable and all of these things, but she's helping me out, she's doing me a favor. You understand what I'm saying to you? Yeah, so any little thing when she tell her to do around the house, do it. I sometimes don't even make she tell her to do nothing. You do it before. You understand what I'm saying?
I can't bother. I just feel stressed in that house day. Feel stressed, God knows. Sometimes I can't even sit down in peace. I watch TV, she call me DJ.
Them not something that you complain to me about. Them not something that unnecessary. You see me, a simple thing like washing up plate and wash your own clothes and them something there. Are you for do them something that you're a young lady? You understand? Right now, it's the only problem you're supposed to have is having problem with your school work. And if you're having problem with your school work, you get somebody to help you. You understand? You see what me have to do and you see how me I live. You understand? Me don't want you to come out like me. I want you to come out to something good. You understand me? So not bother with what my sister want to say and help do everything around the house. Help her out. You understand me? You hear me I say? Yeah, I saw life going on. And you're a young lady. I want you to come out to somebody. I want you to come out to be somebody in her life. You're not going up there forever, you know. Yeah, you're not go up there forever. When I was your age, a whole heap of other something I needed have to do. We don't put nowadays, we don't have internet and there's something that we teach you know and show you what to do. We'd have to do everything from scratch. You understand what I tell you? So you don't worry your head and I'm going like you want to disrespect her. You understand? Do every little thing what she tell you to do. You understand me? Because in the future, you're going to see that she was helping you out.
So girl, waiting. I can't ready, I got a party.
Girl, anything you wear still look.
Waiting.
You have to go wear that, you can wear that or anything.
Make sure you know.
Yeah, but I'm going to cock up.
Alright. So, this me for them, yeah?
Yeah.
Alright.
So you're good to go. I just Deandra we have. Me a take service. Cause she
Deandra Sheila.
I'm gonna make she all long, you know?
You know, I'm going to wear this. Cause this, show a little shape and something.
I hope she wear something nice. Cause I be a short, so I wear a short short. Cause I'm gonna just in a long skirt and then something.
You could just stick a church with it.
I'm not gonna test so. No. This is gonna make your bottom look bigger.
Girl, not just I said that you know, cause you don't want to tell me. Remember when I go, I want to look like me ready, you know. I don't want to look flap.
They're not gonna look flat or fat. You're just gonna look simple in the shot.
Girl, make sure, cause you know people stay. You know me stay.
You not look no way, girl. Honest, you know say talk truth. No. This will make your bottom look big, girl. You're gonna look nice now. This make, but this nice too, you know. But this are gonna make your bottom look extra big.
Where the Alicia? Did you get the money?
Yeah, me get the money, but I don't know what. The boy short on the money. Right now, me I get tired of him right now. I get everything I want. And me can't believe me can't get all of my money. I give me half of my money. Right now, me I get tired of him.
So how come I buck you up down here, sir? Where you come down here, sir? Come to now.
Auntie send me come buy look at 2 eggs, but the shop locked.
Okay, alright then. Why not then? Come and know say your auntie will wait for you and everything.
And you know later, we want to go to a party and I know so she will send me.
I'll make you talk to my sister. I'll make sure I allow you to go to the party. Okay? You have the money for go out. Alright, me I go give you some money for go out. Alright? And the money after you use for you to buy your own a drink when you go to a party. No make nobody buy no drink for you. You understand me? No take no open no liquor. You understand me? And drink to as much as your ability. You understand me? No drink, forget drunk. Alright, see some money here, alright? And tell your auntie some soon come, alright?
Alright, mommy.
Alisa, what team are the red shots? It's all good for me.
Alright, we are in the new one. Let's do that look good anyway. See your phone over this side.
Hello? Alisa, I'm so come back here.
Alright.
May I come? The woman in there, so.
Me didn't know so she did it. You know how good time you want to spend with them for a party, so me can go link you again.
Can I say that when I come back home?
Alright, me link you at party, yeah?
I'm saying this, I wish I do this for so long.
Alright people, yes, I know you don't need for longer, it needs for at least be 1 hour and a half. I don't know if you can get that, but we are going to make a deal. This is the deal we are going to make. So if you don't subscribe yet, you need to click the red button there and subscribe. You need to go in the comment section as well and motivate the actors and actresses them so they feel motivated to come again and put in the work. Because trust me, you know, it can be really intimidating and frustrating. But it will be worth it to them if they see in the comments where you guys love their efforts. Because coming from me alone and tell them say, oh, them I do good, them probably not going to believe me. But when I tell them, them will believe. You see me? I'm not asking them to send me no money. You understand? I'm not asking them to send me no equipment. Nothing at all. All I need you guys to do is like the video, comment, share it, send it to somebody. Say, oh, pre that video and tell them what you think. Then say, yeah man, I like it. And say, oh, share it with somebody else and tell them the same thing too. You see me? And you can get, I want 2-hour video. Yeah, I want 2-hour video. So, yeah people, just do that for me. Like, share, comment, and subscribe. Oh, but they St. Thomas people. They up at the east side. Them have East Indian mango up there like crazy. All that store dog. You know down in west if one East Indian mango drop, be time if you reach the ground somebody take you up already. You see if it drop you so, they don't want it. You have to come straight off a tree, you see me? So yeah people, apart from that, for your entertainment, make sure you like, comment, subscribe and share. Yeah. I shall see you on the next blouse and skirt before I go away. So this channel is known to get short films, vlogs and all of that. But I'm going to put a link, as a matter of fact, the pinned comment. So they'll check the comment section, the first comment, the one that is at the top. It will take you to the channel that will have full-length movie videos like this. You understand me? So subscribe to that channel. That's the channel where I upload the full-length thing them fun. If you don't uphold for any other bargain, which is liking the video, subscribing if you're not subscribed yet, share, comment and motivate the actors and actresses them. That's all Lara asking for the people. That's all. I'm at St. Thomas by myself, by the way. Meet some new people, just a film with them, share my world with them, them I share for them world with me. And it's an amazing experience. I really like it. So yeah, just do that for me and you can get videos upon videos upon videos upon videos upon videos. Lara not asking no money, Lara not asking no equipment, Lara not asking for stress out on herself. Everything where Lara asking for do, and you can do it right now, we just at top of the thing, you see me? Boom boom, share, Facebook all about, boom, like, boom, subscribe. You do good there, so I like how you act there, so. That's all. Yeah, entertainment is delivered. So until then, I shall see you now. Remember to subscribe and go over that channel to go subscribe to send you up to 1,000 or whatever. I might post this over there as well so you can run up the watch hours for me and probably get it monetized. But yeah, until then, Lara shall see you know. So match up some East Indian mango, probably come back some West food. Little more.
DJ, you know, so I just come off for the phone with your auntie and she say you're not going good, your behavior is not good in the house. And you know, say
action.
This is your coat back.
And action.
Alicia, may I ask you something? Have something to say? Like you can cut back in.
Action.
So Alicia, what is back here? Well, I don't remember what I said. So I said, Alicia, what if one case we already?
Alright, yeah. And action. And action. And
ready. Oh, we are going to start and something for look around and say?
so I said, well, I can say, well, so put it like that, I think it kind of makes sense. If the action.
I mean, we never understand what. I'm not interested in that.
So anyways, girl.
And action.
So anyways, talk to her now, please.
I mean, we not doing anything.
So anyways, girl, we are cooking. We can't do it. Can't just look at the door face now. We can't do it.
Action.
Kim, what you want to see? Should I say it now? One look away a while ago, enough we go.
Hold on, I want that.
Kim, what you want? What you want to sit on your side, though?
So, girl, you support to keep up.
Yes.
So you wanna go? Yeah, girl, me I got a party, you know. But just Christ.
Action.
Yeah. She know to ask me the question. You don't ask her. Oh, so
You know, say auntie just called me and the things that she said to me on the phone, you know, I not really like to hear them something about you as you be my daughter, you hear me say? Yeah, you know. So
action.
Deidre, when me was for your age and then something there, when me was a little pitney, a cow, goat and them something there, me that fear look after, I milk the cow and I milk the goat and them something there and I carry them a bush and all of them something there. So you are complaining about washing up 2 little plate? 2 little plate? That is nothing compared to what me did have to do as a little pitney. You understand me? And now we don't have taxi for carrying no go to school and then something there. And miles we used to have to walk. Miles we used to have to walk before we reach our school. And some of we not have no shoes and then something there. You understand me? I tell you? Yeah. So don't make sure to call me and tell me about bend up your face. You know wash up my dishes and then something there. You hear me? That is not nice. Not time.
no.
Action. Action.
What you say, my girl? Hear me? Landscaping me doing, you know. Can take care of you and your whole family, you know. Take that right now, you know. You say you want a car, you can't do that. Matter of fact, I can make it the hottest thing on the block. And if I hear a house this still, but I can buy a house same way. You see me? It's yourself, man. What you say? Where I come soon?
Action.
That not so bad. That sound better than what my man deal with. About no man full of sweet mouth talk. Action me deal with.
And action.
No man full of sweet talk, but the action me deal with. But anyways, one party I come up later. I don't know if I can give him a little money. And when I go and see him, I can put in a little more words and hear what you have to say.
Action.
What you say, my girl? Hear me? Landscaping me doing, you know. Can take care of you and your whole family, you know. Take that right now, you know. You say you want a car, you can't do that. Matter of fact, I can make it the hottest thing on the block. And if I hear a house this still, but I can buy a house same way. You see me? It's yourself, man. What you say? Where I come soon?